Hello everyone and welcome back to another K-pop video. This is going to be my Aespa video. Um, I mentioned before that I had ordered two things to my K-Addy and I was actually going to wait till I got them, but I have so much Aespa stuff now that I didn't want to wait because one of the things I ordered was the concert DVD that just came out, but it hasn't gotten to the K-Addy yet. So I'm tired of waiting because um, my boyfriend actually took me to my favorite K-pop store here in Houston and let me buy a bunch of stuff for Valentine's Day, and most of it was Aespa. So I really, really want to get into it because I don't want all of this stuff to sit there anymore. Let's just hop right in. First thing I got was two of the dolls. When I went for Valentine's, my boyfriend bought me Ning Nings. And then the next day I went with my best friend because they wanted to go, and I bought Winters. And actually, the store still had Karina's, so I might actually go back and get hers. And I need to ask him if he can get Giselle's, or if he has it, because I didn't see it in the bin. So, but he might have it because these are so much easier to find now that I know where they are and not looking online because they are hella expensive online. I do have two Savage. I'm gonna plan on buying the Digipack and ship it to my K-Addy before I ship everything else. But I'm super excited for this. This would be my first Aespa album actually that I'm opening because I've never actually opened an Aespa album. So I'm excited for this, and I love how this one looks like a CD player. Especially considering that they actually came out with a CD player eventually for, was it Armageddon? I think it was Armageddon. Oh, oh, this is the CD. Oh, that's cool. Is everything underneath? Oh, that's scary. I don't know where the photo cards are. They're stickers, right? Okay, good. I can actually use those. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I love this little book. Oh, I didn't see the card, but it's there. I've never seen any of the pictures from any of these albums, so I'm excited. Karina. Here. Bad Girl Winter, yes. Giselle. When we were shopping, me and my best friend, they asked me like who my bias was, and I'm like, I'm so torn because they're so great, and generally I like the whole group. Um, and then later on, I'll get a bias because like when I first started listening to La Seraphim, I really liked Coswa just because I found out that she did ballet. And so I was instantly drawn to her because of that, because I've done ballet. Um, but then eventually I wanted to for Sakura based on like personality. So like the more I've watched them, the more I've kind of like leaned to Ning Ning, but I also really like all of them. I think they all have really great personalities. I think they're going to be this one. This is the AR card, I think. Karina. And this is the photo card, right? Winter. Why does it look blurry? I don't like that. It's a weird, it's an aesthetic I don't particularly like. But I'm not mad. I'm not mad at all. I love these a lot. Yay! I'm just gonna set them aside for now. All right, next is this edition. I love this kind of like magazine style. Is this the one that had, I didn't even look at the lyrics really when I looked in the other one, but is this the one that has Black Mamba on it? Because there's so much like Black Mamba imagery in this one. I love their aesthetic so much. I just realized she has like the Matrix print. That's cool. Giselle. Oh, and they have them with their A's as well. A's? I's? What's the A's? It's probably S. A. S? Whatever. Poster? Inclusions? Inclusions? Oh, I love that they have their A's. That's so cute. It's cool. Beautiful. All right, this one, the poster's random for this as well, right? Oh no. This one for everyone? Shut up. Oh, I love that. I love that very much. And then stickers or tattoos? Those are the tattoos. This is the CD, right? Yes. Ooh. I love when the CD is done. Wow. There's also a signature on here, which I purposely made sure to look at. Oof. Okay. Ning ning. Oof. You can tell the card's been stuck together for a while. Okay. You can only see it in certain lights. And this is the is it lentograph? Lenticular? Yes. And it's winter. Is it supposed to be like that? Winter. Ning ning. I love the ning ning one very much. Next we'll do girls. I believe this one's called the Real World Edition, right? Also, I saw the peak of a photo card. I'm gonna try and get it out. I think there's two in here. I'm just gonna slide everything out like I did before. Oh yeah, there is two. There's one and then the Polaroid. Oh, I'm so excited for this one. I love this concept. They're cool. My boots are cute. Oh, the CD. Ooh, again, great CD. Great CD. And again, them with their A's. Love it. Oh, and it's got their like code names. And then more stickers. Right, right. Yes. Beautiful. This is a good one. I think. Are they like the right side? Okay. Again, there's writing, but I don't want to see whose it is first. So we're just gonna do it real quick. Winter, winter. Oh yeah, she always do the snowman. These are so cute. I love the Polaroids. Oh, it's Ning Ning. We got Ning Ning and Winter for this one, yes. And this is the one that's a random poster, right? Ning Ning. Oh my god, and then she comes with her A. Oh, I love that. This is not an album, but I was really super excited for this photo book. I've never been to any of their concerts yet, but I love a good photo book. And this has a random. Oh, Ning Ning. I feel like this is a sign because I've been pulling her left and right. It sucks that it comes with one. I would like to have all of them. I probably won't go through this whole thing because it's pretty big, but I just wanted to look through it quick because I'm excited to actually watch the concert. I was excited that I was able to find this with the pre-order for the concert DVD coming out. Yeah, I'll look through it later because I kind of want to save it for after I watch the DVD. Next, we have Whiplash SM Mini Edition, Ning Ning version. I actually really love these. The only one I've ever had besides this one is Shiny. I just think this is so cute. I love these. I just think they're so great. Wait, is that upside down? No, I just can't read their fonts. And let's see. Are these aren't random, right? It's the same card, or is it like random between all the members? Let's see. Karina. So it's just 1 and 4 out of all random. So okay, now we have some store exclusives. I've got 2 Barnes and Noble and 2 Targets. So I'm gonna start with this one. This is the poster edition for Armageddon, I believe. If I'm not mistaken, like the album itself is the poster, right? Because it's the poster edition. Oh. Stickers. Don't know what that is. CD. Okay, so this one comes with a special, I think, postcard cover and photo card. It said photo card, I believe. But these are the postcards. And then, yeah, the whole album is the poster, right? Yeah, the album cover. Well, I guess, I suppose that would be poster. Thank yous. It's fine. Is this supposed to come with a photo card? Hold on. Okay, yes. So I looked it up. Photo card's supposed to be in here. It was not. So someone opened my album and took my photo card. So that sucks. And kind of wish I had opened this sooner, because if I would have done that, I'm just checking if it's stuck to anything. If I would have done that at the store and it wasn't in there, I would have returned it. So that's kind of a bummer. Yeah, that actually really, really sucks. And it sucks that I actually have that on record of opening it and it not being there. So that's nice. Lovely. Anyways, next Barnes & Noble edition for drama. I actually went to so many stores looking for this one, and even when they said that they had it, I would go in the store and they didn't, like online. So I ended up just buying it offline, which is probably better anyways because it was cheaper. It was not list price, which is great. So, okay. I have no idea where the photo card is. Depends on the album. Is that Winter? I thought that was Winter. I'm an idiot. That's Karina. Speaking of Winter, cute. Oh, the CD. I love the CD. We'll peep that in a minute. I love this style of album. Like, this is cute because it's like an actual photo book. Like, I would not be mad if every album was like this, like in existence. I love other inclusions, but I love a good photo book. Beautiful. Look at this. I'm so excited. They have good albums so far. Oh my god, are they like albums like member specific too? I got Ning Ning, of course I got Ning Ning. I need to look that up if they're member specific. Which sucks because I want them all. Because I love to collect the DVDs too, but that's okay. Winter. I like the little foot piercing. Next we have Whiplash Target Edition. Whiplash. Wait, like this way, right? Whiplash. I'm sure nothing's in here. I like the way this album is made too. Postcards. I guess these wouldn't be Do they consider these postcards or just pictures? Like the nails. Peep the nails. That's not even in frame. Can you buy these? Oh, I think these are the sunglasses they always have on sale in the store. Okay. I just saw a little bit of an arm. Oh, that's pretty. Karina, right? Is it Ning Ning? Sure is. Oh, and she's got the sunglasses. Shut up. So adorable. Stickers. Oh, and it has like the names of the songs. That's cool. Catch 'em flying, snap feelings. This is random, right? Random poster? Or is it a group poster? Group. I'll take it. I'll take it. How long do you think it takes to do their nails? And how annoying do you think they are with all that stuff on them? So neat. The staple's not like resting or anything, right? Or it's just like that because it's smooshed together. Yeah, okay. Yay, beautiful. Last store version we have is Armageddon Target Edition. These are the ones where they're all blonde. So I think, if I'm not mistaken, the photo cards are also them all blonde, like with the blonde hair. So if the photo cards, so if the photo card is them with the blonde hair, I'm definitely getting the whole set. Definitely getting the whole set. This should be made just like the other one, right? Beautiful CD. Oh, this also has the, oh, I love these. What are these postcards? Love these. Can't wait to make a memorabilia book for them. Beautiful. Oh, a group one. What was the cover? Winter? Yes. Cute. And these are tattoos again. Group poster. Group poster. I love when it's a group poster. How many times can I say group poster? I like that they put their thank yous on the back. That's such a cute little detail. Yay! All right, so that is everything I've bought recently for Aespa. I'm super happy overall with everything. I think these are some of the best albums when it comes to pictures and concepts and stuff. So I'm very, very happy with that. I am super disappointed about this though. I generally try and make sure I don't um, get albums that have been opened. I'm usually really good about being able to tell if it's been opened. Um, Maybe this one was just there for so long and it just didn't matter at that point, like how the stickiness looked because it was just an older stock there. Um, but I might actually go back and buy a couple more of these. Um, I do like the poster, um, so it would be nice to have a couple more because um, it would be cool to cut this up. And I would like to cut the top off and use this for certain things. So it would be cute, and I like the way that it's wrapped up and stuff. So it would be cool to like use it for not wrapping paper, but just like I don't know something. I have an idea, but it's not for me. Um, so yeah, super bummed about this one, but other than that, I'm pretty happy. Some people suck, but that's okay. So yes, I will do a storing video. I am going to get um, a specific binder. I'm going to get a specific binder for my Aespa photo cards. So I will do a story with me after I get the other albums and after I get everything situated with templates and all that. But that will definitely be coming. I definitely plan on doing a storage video for Le Seraphim and Aespa. Okay, this is gonna be slightly scuffed because my table that I'm used to filming stuff on is covered with stuff, K-pop stuff. But I really wanted to do this because I'm dying to open these and I just want them to not be in the box. I feel so sad that they're in the box. So I'm just gonna do it on my old little tray table and it's gonna be fine. It's gonna be fine. I'm gonna do Whiplash first because I am so excited for this one. I did notice that it's Ning Ning version, which I think is a sign because I was trying to figure out my bias and I'm pretty sure it's Ning Ning because I'm obsessed with Ning Ning. So I'm very happy I got hers. I've also only seen this open once, so I'm pretty excited to open it myself. I'm gonna open it this way because I think I might keep that box too. I kind of like it. Definitely excited for this. Definitely excited for the shirt. Oh, that's so cool. It's actually a pretty decently sized shirt. They don't have like a size though. It's like a one size, which is fine. I'm still gonna wear it. Track titles. This is so cool. Love. This is the poster, correct? Oh, big poster. The camera. Another poster. Oh, no. Photo book? No. Poster. Posters, rather. I'm blessed and I'm chilling. Is this like a photo? photo book, poster photo book thing. Pink hair Giselle, love. Want her to keep that hair forever. Skip some pages. Ning Ning. This is where I started, right? Yes. Okay. But then we have another photo book. I know that the photo cards are like a set, which I'm really excited, happy about. This is like the only thing I know that comes with an OT4 set. Karina, oh, Giselle, Winter, Ning Ning, love, and I'm pretty sure this is themed as well with Ning Ning. Yes, yes, I love this. Okay, let me look at the photo book. Winter drew a taiyaki. Lord, I almost said takoyaki, but takoyaki's the squid balls, right? Didn't they come out with a sunglass collection? Was these? No, I don't think it was a collection. I know that they had these, I think, with a merch lineup. Okay, sorry. I have been putting everything out of frame, so I tried to fix it going forward. Sorry. Are these Versace? I'm pretty sure Ning's. I'm pretty sure Ning's are Versace because the emblem looks very similar to Medusa. The Medusa emblem. Goody. A pink hood. Okay. So that is Whiplash Collector's Edition. Love these stickers too. This art is so good. I'm very happy to have this edition because I'm very late to the game with Aespa. I had to buy it from, I can't remember the name of it, but I had to buy it from a website that I don't generally use, which is thing is okay because that's how I found out about the website. So I'm glad that I have that as a resource now to buy more albums from. But I just had to hunt it down. And it kind of sucks because I like collecting the CDs, especially when they have different covers. So I'm sad that I'll probably never be able to get the other four. Do people generally sell their CDs? I don't know. I'm not sure. I'll look. I'll find out because I would really love to have all four of these because I like collecting the CDs when they're different. And I did get a pop with this. I got Karina. Didn't even know it came with a pop, but I'm here for it. Or this could have gone with something else, but I'm pretty sure it came with this because I got something else with the other one. This is the DVD, and this came with a 4-photo pop. I'm pretty sure there's a binder specifically made for these that I think you can buy, but I didn't really understand if that, like, this is a thing that they do often because I think this is the first time I've seen these in this set and maybe another set of some merch, but I have seen that there's a specific binder that fits the 4 photos. And I'm not really sure where those come from. So maybe I'll buy that if I know more art to collect. I do know that the photo book that I opened before had a 4-photo set, and there was one for each girl. So now that I think about it, I don't know if that binder was for those or for these. Maybe this is just a pop because I know that this one comes with one inside this that you can change. I'll figure it out. This is the beautiful, beautiful Sync 1 episode, right? Episode Sync 1. Yeah, it's right there. This is the beautiful episode tour. I believe this is their first tour DVD. And this is what I mean. I'm pretty sure this is just so, like, if I want to change it out, I can. So I don't really think there's other merch that has these, though you can pop it out, like pop it off like this one, but I'm just going to leave that one in there. I don't know if there's anything specific about this. I can't even get it out. So yeah, I don't know if there's something specific about this. It could be AR. I know they've done AR cards before, but I'm just going to leave it in there. I'm a little nervous to have this in here, but hopefully won't get ruined quickly. I just realized that, ooh. So unfortunately, it looks like these pockets are not super good for storing because the CD is a little scratched. I'm not sure if you can actually see it. I'm probably blinding everybody, but it's a little scratched. It's not a whole lot, but I'm kind of disappointed they don't have any fabric, or I almost said foam, anything to keep this from being protected in here, which kind of sucks. So hopefully there will be minimal scratching now that it's not being shipped and jostled around multiple times. But it seems they're all kind of like that. So that's a little disappointing, but I will watch these and see what happens. Hopefully nothing major. So they give you extra sleeves for stuff. I wonder if that's for like the Blu-ray edition, because I don't believe the Blu-ray edition comes in this. So I wonder if they're giving you more for future. This is way more than the DVDs that they released so far. So I'm wondering if they're giving you some for future DVDs, which is cool. That's a nice touch. I definitely like that. But again, it makes me a little less likely to use them with these being scratched up a little bit, and they've only just been in here as far as I know. So I would definitely try and get something to go in the back. I believe you can just buy like CD inserts. So I could probably just do that so that nothing gets out. So I do like the idea that they want you to keep using this because this is very nice and looks fantastic and cute and great. I love the aesthetic, but I don't like how these actually don't really protect your DVDs whatsoever. Let me take this out if I can without ruining anything. Oh, popped itself out. Very cute. Very, very cute. Black Mamba. For a minute, I forgot I was actually like filming anything because I was enjoying just looking at this. Yeah, I definitely do like this version. Um, I'm very glad I actually got this one. Because I definitely love having all this stuff, especially because I've never been able to see some of it because I've said previously that I just got into them. Um, so I enjoy being able to catch up pretty much. Um, So yes, I'm very, very happy to have this version for sure. I'm a little disappointed in the CD holders, but that's definitely not the end of the world. I'm actually going to put this. I'm actually just going to put this one in here just so that I know where it is. Okay, so that was the episode Sync 1 DVD and limited edition Whiplash unboxing. That so far is everything that I have for Aespa. I'm still want to catch up on their albums, but I think for now I'm just holding off until their comeback because I remember seeing something online about how they're having a comeback soon. I mean, that's not shocking because most groups have 2 a year, but I want to be able to get everything in their next comeback. So I'm waiting for that, and then I will, in between that one and their next one, I'll fill up the rest of my collection with the CDs and stuff that I'm missing. Next thing that I'm going to film for Aespa will be a store with me with all of the photo cards that I've gotten so far. I do plan on getting one of the Vault X, I believe is the brand binders, the 4-packet ones, because I really, really love those. I recently bought a new binder for La Seraphim. I know that my last video was a store with me using Muji, which I do have. I still have it. My La Seraphim merch cards are still in the binder, but I recently got the OT6 binder from Sarang Hello, and I really, really love that one. So definitely, I'll make a video on that one showing everybody my La Seraphim collection because I definitely love that binder. Um, it's perfect for what I want. It's exactly what I wanted. Um, didn't think I would find that or love it as much, especially after saying that I would really have liked all of La Seraphim to have been in Prism Platinum, but I did continue to still look for a more affordable binder, and that was pretty affordable. And so yeah, I'll definitely talk about that one because I hadn't heard anything about it until I saw it randomly on Instagram. So definitely would like to tell people about it because it's definitely worth it if you want to store an OT5 or OT6 group. But so far as Aespa, I will do the Vault X video as soon as I get that and figure out how to store them because I believe it's better to double sleeve. And so I want to get the Vault X and see if I can double sleeve with the colored sleeves I had and them not move around too much. So yes. Thanks for watching. If you watched this far, I'm pretty sure this one, like all of them so far, is going to be a long one. But I love Aespa. I'm really excited that I got into them. I wish it hadn't taken me this long. Thank you for going through this journey with me as I chronicle my deep and widening obsession with Aespa.